Well, check out this cool film location. I was editing this video and realized I did not film an intro for this video. But basically, in this video, we're gonna go hike up Donut Falls with the DJI Vada and fly the DJI Vada. But unfortunately, I crashed the DJI Vada and it did not end well. But let's begin the hike to Donut Falls right now. Oh, shit. Well, that's not good. Well, it went for a swim. I hope it at least saves the clip. Oh, yeah, that's lovely.
Put your hand out, you can put. If you come over here where I'm at.
Yeah, I see it.
Or let's put your foot over there. I looked like it was white, but.
Huh.
I think it might be here.
I think it's dumb, that's what's happened. Well, at least it's insured. Oh, that's slippery. Oh. Where's my battery at? You guys see the battery, or is it done? It might have been.